In this video, I've got your back on fixing that GCash developer option hiccup, so stick around and let's get it sorted together. So, developer option. This is like a backstage pass for your Android device. This is not your everyday settings menu, this is where tech-savvy users go to fine-tune and test things out. So, in this menu, you've got tools for USB debugging, tweaking system animations, and playing with hardware performance. It's basically the place where developers work their magic to make sure that apps run smoothly. Now, to get there, it is a bit of a detour in the settings. Head to the usual spot and find About Phone or About Device, and tap on the build number a bunch of times. No secret handshake needed, just a quirky way to unlock the tech playground. Now, once you've done that, the developer option will show up in the main settings menu. It's not actually hidden, it's just not something everyone might need every day. So from here, you can customize bits and pieces of the Android system. Think of it like a toolbox for the curious. Now, once you've located the developer options on your device, simply toggle off the developer mode settings and you're good to go. It's a quick and straightforward fix, but here's the disclaimer. Be a bit cautious as messing with the options can mess with your device performance and stability, so if you're not sure about something, maybe just don't press it. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.